Is fasting obligatory upon all Muslims, or is there a distinct group that Allah refers to when it comes to fasting, in the month of Ramadan particularly?
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. There are 5 conditions to be fulfilled to make fasting obligatory on any person. Number 1 is he or she should be a Muslim. Number 2, the person should be sane. Number 3, he or she should have reached the age of puberty. That means he or she should be an adult. Number 4, the person should be healthy. Number 5, the person should not be in a state of traveling. He or she should be settled. There are additional 4 conditions for a female to be fulfilled. If it's a woman, if it's a lady, if it's a female, there are additional 4 conditions to be fulfilled to make it obligatory on her. Number 1 is that she should not be menstruating. She should not be in a position where she has postnatal bleeding. She should not be breastfeeding, and she should not be pregnant. So for a woman, if all these 9 conditions are fulfilled, then it becomes obligatory on her. And for the male, only the first 5 conditions have to be fulfilled to make it compulsory for them to fast in the month of Ramadan.